Picture this, an island, barely a speck on the map, thousands of miles from any continent. This isn't just any island. This is the most remote island on Earth. It's a place untouched by the modern world, a secret hidden in the vastness of the ocean. The sheer isolation, the challenge of finding it, draws us in. We're going to embark on a journey to find this hidden gem, this forgotten corner of our planet. It's a journey fraught with challenges, with unknowns. But the reward? Oh, the reward is worth it. Are you ready? Let's go. There's an undeniable allure to the unknown, a pull towards the unexplored corners of our world. Remote islands like hidden treasures scattered across the oceans embody this allure perfectly. They whisper tales of adventure, of pristine landscapes untouched by human hands. Imagine stepping onto an island where time seems to stand still, where the only sounds are the waves crashing against the shore and the cries of exotic birds. But finding these hidden gems is no easy feat. The challenge, the chase, is all part of the adventure. The reward, however, is immeasurable. Our journey begins with a thirst for discovery, a burning desire to unveil the mystery of this remote island. It's a journey that will take us across vast oceans, through treacherous storms, guided only by our determination and a handful of clues. We'll face challenges, no doubt, but we'll persevere, driven by the thrill of the unknown and the promise of adventure. It's a journey that will test us, challenge us, and ultimately reward us in ways we can't even imagine. Right, finding the most remote island on Earth. Sounds easy, doesn't it? Just open up Google Maps, have a quick look-see. Well, it's not quite as simple as that. This is about finding the truly hidden, the places maps barely whisper about. We're talking about islands so remote they barely register, tiny dots swallowed by the vastness of the ocean. It's about piecing together a puzzle with half the pieces missing, a real-life treasure hunt, but the treasure is the island itself. We're not the first to be captivated by this quest for the remote. For centuries, explorers have sailed the seas, driven by a thirst for discovery. Their journals, their maps, they hold whispers of these forgotten islands. But these old records, they're scattered, fragmented. Some are tucked away in dusty archives, others held in private collections, their secrets guarded jealously. But with each piece of information, we start to build a picture, a clearer understanding of where this island might lie hidden. Now, we can't rely on old maps alone. We're going to need some 21st century tech to aid our search. Satellite imagery, GPS coordinates, these are the tools of the modern explorer. We analyze satellite images, searching for the telltale signs of land amidst the vast expanse of blue. We cross-reference data, comparing our findings to historical records, slowly narrowing down the possibilities. A potential location, a blip on the radar, a speck in the vast Pacific Ocean. But now the real journey begins, the journey to reach it. With a target in sight, it's time to swap pixels on a screen for the salt spray of the open ocean. We set sail, leaving behind the comfort of land, heading into the vast blue wilderness. The journey ahead is long, thousands of miles across treacherous waters. The ocean, she's a fickle mistress. 1 minute, she's calm, a mirror reflecting the endless sky. The next, she's a raging beast, tossing our little boat around like a toy. Every sunrise brings us closer to our goal, the anticipation building with each passing nautical mile. And then, on the horizon, a faint smudge appears. Land. Could this be it? Our hearts pound with excitement. As we approach the island, its full glory is revealed. This isn't just any island, it's a vision of untamed beauty. Towering cliffs rise from the turquoise waters, cloaked in a tapestry of vibrant green. Waterfalls cascade down volcanic slopes, feeding hidden lagoons teeming with life. The air is alive with the sounds of exotic birds, their calls a symphony of the wild. This island is a sanctuary, a haven for creatures both large and small. Exploring the island's interior is like stepping back in time. We tread carefully, aware of our impact on this pristine environment. To our surprise, we discover we are not alone. Tucked away in a hidden valley, we encounter a small community of indigenous people. Their way of life is simple, their connection to the land profound. Generations have lived here in harmony with nature, their traditions passed down through centuries. They welcome us with warmth and curiosity, eager to share their stories and learn about the world beyond their island home. Their resilience, their wisdom, serves as an inspiration, a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity. After weeks at sea, battling the elements, the moment finally arrived. We'd been tracking south for days, following the whispers on old charts, the blips on our modern GPS. Then, there it was. Rising out of the vast Pacific, like something from a dream, was the island. The sun was setting, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, reflecting off the water. I remember the feeling standing on the deck of the boat, the salt spray on my face, a lump forming in my throat. We'd chased this dream, this speck on the map, and now here it was, real and breathtaking. It was the feeling of isolation, of being truly removed from the rest of the world. We anchored off the coast, the gentle rocking of the boat the only sound. As darkness fell, the stars emerged, a million pinpricks of light in the velvet sky. I'd never seen stars so bright, so clear. It was like looking into the face of infinity. That night, I barely slept. I lay in my bunk, listening to the creaking of the boat, the waves lapping against the hull. But there was another sound, or rather, the absence of sound. The silence. It was a profound silence, unlike anything I'd ever experienced. The next morning, we set foot on the island. The air was warm and humid, thick with the scent of unknown flowers. We moved cautiously at first, aware that we were stepping into a world untouched by modern man. Towering palm trees swayed in the breeze, their leaves casting intricate shadows on the forest floor. Exotic birds flitted through the undergrowth, their calls a symphony of the wild. The beach, white sand as fine as sugar, stretched out before us, kissed by crystal-clear waters. This island was a living museum, a testament to the power and resilience of the natural world. We were mere visitors in this pristine paradise, and we knew it. Standing on that remote shore, gazing across the vast expanse of the Pacific, I felt a profound sense of humility. This island, this tiny speck of land in the vast ocean, stood as a testament to the enduring power of nature. Untouched by the relentless march of human progress, it thrived in a delicate balance, a symphony of life playing out over millennia. The island reminded me that our planet is not just a resource to be exploited, but a living, breathing entity deserving of our respect. It showed me the raw beauty that can exist when nature is left to its own devices, allowed to flourish without interference. We are not masters of this planet, but merely guests, entrusted with the responsibility to protect and preserve its wonders. The discovery of this remote island wasn't just about finding a dot on a map. It was about rediscovering a sense of wonder that many of us lose touch with in our busy lives. It was about pushing boundaries, challenging perceptions, and embracing the unknown. The island's isolation, its very remoteness, amplified the thrill of discovery. Every new plant, every strange creature we encountered felt like a revelation, a glimpse into a world untouched by human hands. We documented our findings meticulously, collecting samples, taking photographs, eager to share the island's secrets with the world. The echo of that discovery, the sense of awe and wonder, will stay with me long after I've left this island's shores. As we prepared to leave the island, a bittersweet feeling washed over me. Part of me longed to stay, to immerse myself in this pristine paradise, to learn more from its indigenous inhabitants. But another part of me knew that our presence here was a double-edged sword. The very act of discovery carries with it the weight of responsibility. We had stumbled upon a treasure, a fragile ecosystem untouched by the outside world. It was our duty to ensure its protection, to share its story without jeopardizing its existence. This island, this remote outpost of life, belongs not to us, but to future generations. So, there you have it. The most remote island on Earth. A place untouched, pristine, a world away from the daily grind. I bet you're thinking, I could use a bit of that island life right now, aren't you? Stuck in traffic? Buried under paperwork? Yeah, I've been there. But here's the thing. Adventure, it's closer than you think. It doesn't have to be a remote island in the Pacific. It could be a hidden trail in your local park, a weekend camping trip, anything that gets you out of your routine. We all have an inner explorer, a yearning for something more. Don't ignore it. Embrace it. Go out there and discover your own hidden corners of the world. Who knows what you might find? Maybe a hidden waterfall, a secluded spot where you can just breathe and be. And hey, if you do stumble across any uncharted islands, be sure to drop me a line. Share your stories, your discoveries. Always up for a bit of adventure, me. There's something magical about stepping into the unknown. Just kidding. Or am I? The world is vast and it's waiting for you. So what are you waiting for? Your island, your adventure, your story awaits. Now, I know what you're thinking. Bear, this island is amazing, but I can't just hop on a boat tomorrow. It's not that simple, right? We all have our commitments, our daily routines and responsibilities that keep us grounded. And you're right, not all of us can embark on expeditions to the ends of the earth. It's a dream for many, but reality often has other plans. But that doesn't mean we can't share in the wonder of discovery. We can still experience the thrill of exploration through stories, videos, and the shared experiences of others. Tell me what you think. Your thoughts and reactions are just as important as the journey itself. What surprised you most about this remote island? Was it the untouched beauty, the unique wildlife, or perhaps the sheer isolation? Would you ever want to visit such a place? Or are you happy with your feet firmly on the mainland? Maybe you prefer the comfort of familiar surroundings. Let's get a conversation going in the comments below. Your insights and stories can spark a dialogue that brings us all closer together. Share your thoughts, your dreams of adventure, even your wildest travel stories. Every comment adds to the tapestry of our shared human experience. Who knows, maybe you'll inspire someone else to embark on their own journey of discovery. Your words could be the catalyst for someone else's adventure. Remember, adventure is a state of mind. It's about seeing the world with fresh eyes and an open heart. It's about curiosity, about pushing boundaries, about embracing the unknown. It's about the journey as much as the destination. And that's something we can all do, no matter where we are in the world. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet village, the spirit of adventure is within you. Well, folks, that's all the time we have for today. But before we wrap up, let's take a moment to reflect on the incredible journey we've been on together. It's been a wild ride, hasn't it? From the bustling streets of far-off cities to the serene landscapes of untouched nature, every moment has been an adventure. From deciphering ancient maps to setting foot on a forgotten island, we've experienced the thrill of discovery firsthand. Each step has brought us closer to understanding the world and ourselves. But the adventure doesn't end here. In fact, it's just the beginning of a much larger journey. Oh no, this is just the beginning. There are countless more stories to uncover, more paths to tread, and more horizons to chase. The world is full of incredible places waiting to be explored, from hidden waterfalls to ancient ruins. Each destination holds its own secrets and wonders. To, who knows, maybe even a lost city or two. Imagine the tales those ancient stones could tell. So stay tuned, my friends. The journey is far from over and there's so much more to see and experience. Subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and get ready for more adventures. Your support means the world to us and keeps the spirit of exploration alive. We'll be diving into jungles, scaling mountains, and pushing the boundaries of what's possible. And maybe even braving the Arctic tundra. The cold might be harsh, but the beauty is unparalleled. It's going to be epic. Until then, keep exploring, keep dreaming, and keep pushing your limits. Never lose your sense of adventure. The world is vast and full of wonders waiting to be discovered. Who knows what wonders await us just over the horizon? Over and out. Until next time, fellow adventurers.